Hi children, hope you all are safe at home and obeying your parents by washing your hands frequently. Myself, Farida teacher from St. Paul's High School, going to teach you all general knowledge, that is GK, and our topic will be nature. Can you all tell me what do you mean by nature, children? All the natural things which we get from nature are called natural things. Got it? And in short, we can say nature is made by God. All the natural things are made by God. So we call those things as nature, children. Do you all know, children, that nature is our best friend? Why we call nature a best friend? Because from nature we get sun, moon, stars, clouds, rain, and all these things, children, help us in our life. Sun gives us sunlight, moon and stars shines in the night, then from the clouds we get rain, and rain is the main source of water, children. Apart from all these things, children, we get from nature rocks, soil, plants, then mountains. All this also comes in the nature. They are the part of nature. Animals are also a part of nature, children. God has made all the animals, and these animals are very, very useful to us, children. There are different kinds of animals on this earth. Now, in general knowledge subject, we are going to learn one by one all the kinds of animals. First, we'll learn about wild animals. Now, if I ask you what are wild animals, obviously you all are going to tell me lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, zebra, all these are wild animals. But why they are called wild animals, that you all know? That I will teach. This wild animals, children, lives in the forest. Why do they live in the forest? Because they like freedom, and these animals are independent animals, children. They search their food, water, shelter by themselves. They are not rely on anyone for their basic needs, children. So we call wild animals as independent animals. Understood? Now there are many wild animals, and today we are going to learn few more things about each and every animals. So get ready, children, to know something more about all the wild animals. Okay, say children, which animal is this? Yes, it's a lion. Lion is called the king of the jungle. It has a strong body and neck covered with long hair. It is a symbol of strength and power. Then which is the next picture? Yes, tiger. Tiger is the biggest cat in the world. It is also a strong animal, and it is called our national animal, children. Which is our national animal? Tiger. Come on, see the next picture. Cheetah, the fastest land animal in the world, and it can run as fast as the sports car. Now next is leopard. Leopard is a strong animal. It can climb on the trees easily and take rest on the branches. And if you will see the leopard now, you can see black spots all over the body. Come on, now tell me which animal is this, children? Yes, elephant. Do you know, children? Elephant has one unique part which is different from other animals, which other animals do not have. Come, let's see. Elephant is the biggest animal on the earth, children. It has a big body, four thick legs, two large ears, two small eyes, and a short tail. It has a long trunk from head to the ground, and this trunk only elephant has. Others animals do not have. Come on. Which is the next animal? Giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal on the earth. It has a long neck and so it can eat the leaves from the tall trees also, children. Come on now. Naughty monkey. No? Monkey is very intelligent. Though we can call monkey as a naughty animal, but it is very intelligent, children. It has a long tail and jumps easily from one branch to another on the tree. It can hold the things like us. Which is the next animal? Hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is considered the third largest land animal, children. It is called horse of river. Why it is called horse of river? As it spends large amount of time in water. It can open its mouth wide and its body is almost hairless. What do you mean by hairless, children? Body without hair. Not a single hair you will find on its body, children. Which is the next animal? Can you name this animal, children? Yes, rhinoceros. Rhinoceros is large and heavy animal with thick skin, short legs and one or two horns on its nose. And do you know, children, that these horns are made of hair, not a bone. It's made up of hair, children. Which is the next one? Fox. Fox is the smallest member of the dog family. It has a bushy tail. It is also a wild animal. Then comes deer. Deer is a beautiful animal for being gentle and calm. It has horns and can run very fast. Then comes wolf, children. Wolf is considered most intelligent animal of the land. Then next is zebra. Zebra looks similar like horse but has black and white stripes all over its body. It cannot run very fast like a horse, children. Then comes kangaroo. Kangaroo can move by hopping and cannot move backward. How we all can move backward also. Kangaroo cannot move backward. It can hop around quickly on its two legs and jumps very high. Enjoy, children, to know more about the wild animals. Now it's time to give you activity. First question is tick right or wrong. Now here I have given you three sentences. First one, wild animals live in the forest or moon. Second one, lion or tiger is the king of the jungle. Third, giraffe or tiger is our national animal. What you have to do, children, you have to tick the correct word and you have to cross the wrong word. Understood? And which two words you are going to tick and cross? The two words which are inside the brackets. See here. Wild animals live in the forest. So forest I have ticked because forest is the correct one and moon is the wrong one. So I have crossed. Then second one is lion or tiger is the king of the jungle. So which animal is the king of the jungle? Lion. So lion I have ticked and tiger I have crossed. Then the third one, giraffe or tiger is our national animal. Now which animal is called our national animal, children? Yes, tiger. So here I have crossed the giraffe and I have ticked the correct one, that is tiger. Now next is match correct part. Here picture of elephant and three parts I have written: horns, trunk, long neck. Animals do not have horns. Animal's neck also is not long. So which part animals have? Trunk. So what we have to do? We have to match elephant with trunk. This way. Now next one is hippopotamus. Picture is hippopotamus. And horse of river, king of the jungle and national animal. So yes, it's a horse of river. So we will match hippopotamus with horse of river, children. Now next, I have given you 4 pictures of animals and you have to tick the correct one. Animal having long neck, and the animals are leopard, giraffe, rhinoceros, monkey. Which animal is having long neck, children? Yes, it's a giraffe. So you will tick the giraffe photo. Then animal having short legs, and the animals are rhinoceros, elephant, cheetah, giraffe. So yes, it's a rhinoceros. So you will tick the rhinoceros photo. Okay, children. Now it's time to say goodbye. Stay home and stay safe. God bless you all, my children.